Welcome to Bashir Electric once more. So today we are going to start looking at Arduino tutorials, and today I've brought a startup tutorial and we are going to look at what would be as the hello world of programmers. And in Arduino it is a blinking light, a blinking LED. So we are going to try to see how to come up with this with our Arduino Mega board with a light. This is a power with a power bank, trying to give a blinking light as you're seeing right here. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment as we move on. Let me show you. So we are going to open our Arduino IDE and we start the programming. As you see, I'm going to do some little elaboration here. So when you open the IDE, please, if you don't know anything about Arduino, please post your comment below so that you can help each other. So this void setup, as you see, put your setup code here to run once. Whatever you run in this function block here, it is going to be executed only once. Then this one, void loop, put your main code here to run repeatedly. So whatever code or command or instruction you put under here, this block, it means it's going to run repeatedly within the shortest time possible. You know how speed the microprocessors work. So we are going to start with Arduino. We have the pinnings. Arduino has pins. You can see here. You can view, can search anywhere. It has a various pins. It has digital, analog. That shall be another tutorial to explain what an Arduino board is. So for now, let's dig into our programming. So we have an instruction. The first line we shall say pin mode. So what does pin mode here? Arduino has output and input pins, and each pin can act either as an input or output. That's more so when it comes to digital pins. When I say digital, that's 1 and 0. The pin is either on or off, nothing else. So here pin mode, I'm going to use a general pin 13 and I assign it an output. That means I'm going to use pin 13 as an output. Don't forget that semicolon, or else the microprocessor won't listen to you. So this line says pin mode 13 output. We are going to use pin 13 of an Arduino to act as an output to give us power. So that one is going to run once, and that is enough. So in the void loop function block, where we need to run the code repeatedly, I'm going to say digital write. Now this digital, of course I told you pin 13 is a digital pin. I'm going to deal with digital 1 and 0, on or off. So digital, it means I'm going to give a digital command, and write, of course, just say do this. So digital write, I'm going to command pin 13 high. Very good. I think you all know that high means on. Then I'm going to have a function delay 500 milliseconds. That means pin 13 is going to be high or on or 1, and it's going to delay for 500 milliseconds when it is still on. Then after what shall happen, I'm going to give another code, digital write, the very pin 13 low. So what does that also mean? The same as the digital write high command, this one now is going to switch pin 13 off or low or 0. And don't forget the semicolon. It's also going to be off for the same time. That's delay 500 milliseconds. Are you seeing? So when they say to run repeatedly, this loop is going to run like that and like that and like that, on high low with these delay times. And that's all about to do with the programming. So what next? Following this wiring diagram, we are going to see how to set up our Arduino. I'm using an Arduino Mega. This is a breadboard, this is a LED, and these are connecting wires. So let's dive into the wiring and we see we are done with the programming. Now we go to hard wiring. So now into the hard wiring, I'm going to have here, this is the Arduino Mega. As you see it has very many pins. Then I'm going to have, this is a power bank, just to show you that the Arduino can work even if not connected in the PC. This one is the connection USB, and I'm going to have here my breadboard, of course, with a LED. So with the hard wiring, allow me go, I'm going to use the ground. I'm going to use the ground pin. I connect it to the ground of the LED. Please, using a breadboard also needs some basics. Someone can ask, why am I connecting this way yet the LED this way? They are connected. That's breadboard knowledge. Then I'm going to put here in pin 13 and give the live of the LED, as you see. Very good. So as if I've given here. So that is it. Now I'm going to connect my USB. We need to feed our program into the Arduino. I'm going to connect the USB to the computer like that. Like that. So when you put initially the Arduino I've used, the bulb is off. That is what happens. So if I feed in the code, we are going to come here, tools, port. It is, you choose the port, have here COM5 Arduino Mega. Processor is that one. Then we shall come to upload code. Then select upload. See, compiling the code. Uploading. Very good, we are done. So that the code has been uploaded. So you will find that it is on, off, on, off, on, off. So the use of my power bank, even though I now remove the board from the computer and I power with a different device, the board will still have the same command, on, off, on, off. So that is a blinking tutorial. Thanks for watching. But what happens in case we change the time? Maybe let me change the program and maybe I reduce the time to 200 milliseconds. Then we upload the code again. You see, the time has reduced, the blinking time. So the blinking can be controlled by the time, and very many applications can be used as far as this blinking tutorial is concerned. Thanks for watching. For any concern, please don't hesitate to post your comment, and please do subscribe for your support. Thanks for watching.